Luke Kendziorski here with yet another edition of Luke's Tuesday Tip.
Luke's Tuesday Tip.
Now today, we're going to talk to you about the 4 unknown facts about your smoke detector. First of all, did you know that in 50% of deaths caused by fire, it was found out that there was not even a battery in the smoke detector? And in another 25%, all of the smoke detector batteries were dead.
You're kidding me.
Nope. Not kidding.
So, these 4 unknown facts are going to help you stay alive. Number 1, ensure that your battery is in there, but also change it out once a year. Put a fresh battery in there, make sure it's good to go. Number 2, you're going to go ahead and once a month press this little test button to make sure that it works. Whew, it works. And number 3, you're going to go ahead, take off the smoke detector, and look at the back of it. Check this out. See that? There's a date on there. That's the manufacturer's date. And what this smoke detector recommends is that once every 10 years from that date, you go ahead and replace this entire unit. And number 4, know where to put your smoke detectors. Take a look at this chart. They should be 1 in every bedroom, 1 on every floor of your home, including the basement. And there's some places where you shouldn't have a smoke detector, like right by your stove in the kitchen or in your bathroom. You know, one person who always checks their smoke detectors once a month, change the battery once a year, and change their smoke detectors once every 10 years is Smokey Robinson.
I second that emotion.
That's Luke's Tuesday Tip. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next Tuesday.